In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok draft video problem. So if I were to go to TikTok and I wanted to post a video, so let's just record a random video. If I click on checkmark, next, I can just add it to drafts. And as you can see, this video is now in drafts. I can just click on it and do the same thing all over again. Add music effects, text, stickers, click on next, add information, add cover, do all of these different things and then click on post or drafts. If I actually wanted to delete this draft, I will click on select it and click delete, and then that would be that. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.